In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Resort Pass app on Android. First, you'll want to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app store specifically designed for Android users, where you can find a vast array of applications. As you launch the Google Play Store, you will see a colorful interface filled with various app categories and recommendations. If you have not logged in yet, you may be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This step is crucial because it ensures that you can download and install apps. After logging in, you will be ready to search for your desired app. Next, tap the top search bar within the Play Store. This is where you will enter the name of the app you wish to download. In this case, type Resort Pass into the search bar. As you begin typing, suggestions may pop up, but it's important to ensure you spell it correctly to find the official app. This simple action saves you time by leading you directly to the app you need. After entering the name, you will see the results populate the screen. Now select the official Resort Pass app, which is published by Resort Pass. This is essential because there may be other similar apps available in the search results. Choosing the official app ensures you are downloading the correct version, which is vital for avoiding any potential security issues. Look for the developer's name to confirm it's the right one. Once you have identified the official app, tap on it to proceed. After selecting the app, you will see a button labeled Install. Tap this button to begin downloading the Resort Pass app onto your device. The installation process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. During this time, you will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is important because it allows you to start using the app and enjoy the services it offers. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation, meaning you are almost ready to go. Now that the app is installed, you can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. This is where all your apps are stored, and locating it is straightforward. Just look for the Resort Pass icon, which typically features vibrant colors and the app's logo. Tapping on this icon will launch the app, allowing you to explore its features and functionalities. Once you open the Resort Pass app, you may need to log in or create an account to start using the services. Following these initial steps will help you get fully set up. This is crucial because having an account allows you to book pool days, cabanas, and other resort amenities easily. Finally, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Explore the different options available, such as booking and searching for resorts. This is a great way to ensure you get the most out of your Resort Pass experience. Following these steps will make your downloading process smooth and efficient. You can now enjoy all the benefits that the Resort Pass app has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy resorting!